Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to change the region on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is just launch your game through the Riot client. And as you launch the game, it takes a while to load, so all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, all you have to do is look for the store option right here and just click it. And as you open the store page, just go on your right and select this option right here, account. And as you do that, you can see the list of region you can change into. And also guys, you need RP coins to change the region. So you can just top up the RP coin and buy the region to change. So guys, that's how I change the region on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.